All right, hi everybody, and welcome to our Saturday night WWE break. Tonight we have three different boxes that we will be opening. Two different. We have two WWE fully loaded 2021s. These are one card per box, and it is an autograph in each box. And then we have our 2021 Undisputed, which guarantees 10 hits per box, with 8 guaranteed autographs or autograph relic cards, and the other 2 are going to be just regular relic cards. So between the 3 boxes, we are looking for 10 autographs. Hopefully they're different people, but we are looking to hit some autographs tonight. Before we open anything, we're just going to go through the list of our participants for tonight. You may see your name on here more than what you purchased. We had a couple open ones that weren't purchased. So what we did was we randomized everybody who purchased tonight, and they will end up with an extra grouping, very possibly. If you want to shout out in the group specific people that you're looking for tonight, hopefully we can hit some nice people, some nice autographs, or some cards overall. I'm just going to go over the groups. We got David L., who's getting the MSK group and the Nia Jax group. Mitch G. with the Mysterios group. Denny C. With the Dakota Kai group. Casey G. with the Pete Dunne group. Stephen G. with the AJ Styles group. Matt P. with the John Cena group. Denny C. with the Johnny Gargano group. Sean C. with the Bianca Belair group. Matt P. with the Apollo Crews group. Dustin H. with the New Day group. Stephen G. With the Mandy Rose group. Casey G. with the Riddle and Randy Orton group. Mike K. with the Danny Burch group. Jordan S. with the Bobby Lashley group. Carl R. with the Karrion Kross group. Jordan S. with the Lex Luger group. David L. with the Ember Moon group. Casey G. with both the Adam Cole and the Santos Escobar groups. Sean C. with the Damian Priest group. Denny C. with the Miz and Morrison group. Mike K. With the Four Horsewomen group. George H. with the Alexa Bliss group. Carl R. with the Drew McIntyre group. Sean C. with the Fiend group. Carl R. with the Shinsuke Nakamura group. Sean C. with the Roman Reigns group. And Mitch G. with the T-Bar and Mace group. So when we see our hits, we'll go over, let people know who's getting them. If there is instances where it's more than one group, we will randomize them between the two groups before the end of our break tonight. Undisputed is they're a little bit oversized group cards. There's 5 cards per pack. See the empty box. And usually they'll put our hit right in the middle. So what I'll do is, Dennis, I'll have to look. I had you down as Dakota Kai, Johnny Gargano, and The Miz. I will check my sheet before anything's shipped out to make sure everything is correct. I'll just take 1 second. I'll bring up everything on here and make sure I have it correct for you. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll go through the cards. I will do the hit last. First off, we got one of the artist drawings for Charlotte Flair. Don't think it's numbered. Not a number on there. Alexa Bliss, Tommaso Ciampa. You can see there are a little bit thicker cards. That's going to be our hit. We got 2 hits, it looks like. We got a Kane Grand Slam champion. This is a purple parallel out of 99. You see it's numbered 95 out of 99. And we got a hit of the relic for King Corbin to number 99, number 7 out of 99. So I have this going to Sean C. for the King Corbin. Next pack. We got a Grand Slam champions of Rey Mysterio, Evan Xavier Woods, Pete Dunne, Liv Morgan, and our hit, a very nice one. This is a Becky Lynch autograph. It's number 10 out of 25. So that one's going to Mike K. When everything ships, they will be in the soft sleeves plus the top loader for all of the hits. So all the autographs will be in top loaders as well. Here we got Angel Garza, Carmella, Finn Balor, a Grand Slam champions of Edge, and our hit, it is a Lex Luger autograph to 99. It's 27 out of 99. And I have that going to Jordan S. All right, here we got Apollo Crews, Elias, one of the artist drawings of The Fiend, not numbered though, Otis, and our hit is an autograph of Big E. This one's numbered to 199. So New Day going to Dustin H. So some nice autographs so far. Here we got Shawn Michaels, Grand Slam champion. A Big E card. Montez Ford. Kushida. And our hit is an autograph relic. This one's out of 50 of Seth Rollins. Looks like it's number 35 out of 50. This one I have going, just find where Seth Rollins was. That's going to Sean C. as well. Next pack, we have John Morrison, a Grand Slam champions of Sasha Banks, also a Grand Slam champions of Kane, Looks like we got a double hit again. We have a John Morrison. Looks like it's going to be a blue variation. And this is number 1 of 25. So nice hit. That one's going. Dennis, I have that one going to you. Again, I'll double check that before I ship everything out, make sure I had everything correct. And then our autographed is Kushida. This one is out of 199. Next pack. All right, we start off with Sheamus, Drew McIntyre, Shinsuke Nakamura, The Undertaker, and our hit is out of 99, a Johnny Gargano signature card. All right, next pack. We have Bianca Belair, a artist drawing of Natalya, Karrion Kross, an artist drawing of Rey Mysterio. It doesn't look like either of those are numbered. And we have a dual relic out of 25 of Drew McIntyre and Roman Reigns. So what we'll do is we will randomize that before we sign off tonight, as those are in 2 different groups. Next pack, we have Mace. That's a rookie card. Rhea Ripley. Johnny Gargano. Tamina. And we have a signature out of 50 of Cesaro. All right, this will be our last pack for our Undisputeds. We have MVP. This is a purple of Dana Brooke. This was out of 99. Jimmy Uso. A Grand Slam Champions of Kofi Kingston. You'll see the Dana Brooke is out of 99. It's number 64. And out of 99, we have a autographed relic of Angelo Dawkins. It's nice to see that each one of the autographs was a different wrestler. I have seen some people open up their boxes and they get 3 of the same wrestler, so that's very nice that we have some different people. And then we're going to do our 2 fully loaded boxes. This is 1 card. It's going to be encased. And it'll be an autograph. Good luck. And our first box, you'll see it's empty box now. We have a Jimmy Uso autographed table relic. see if there's any numbers on there. Yep, there's the number. It's number 30 out of 50. So I have that going to Sean C. And then our last one. And afterwards, I'll just do a recap of all of the autographs and relics that we got tonight. Just remember, Monday is a holiday, so this will go out in the mail Tuesday. Everything will be in bubble mailers, team bags, and all the hits will be in top sleeved and in top loaders. See our empty box. And our last card of the night is a Joaquin Wild. It's an authentic trash can relic. And that's number 9 out of 75. So before we do anything there, let's see about our Royal Rumble relic here. We're going to do a random number. So it'll be out of 100. Odds goes to Drew McIntyre, who is Carl R. If it's evens, it's Roman Reigns, who will be Sean C. As you see, here's our randomizer. Hopefully we can get it so you can see it. And it came up as 40, so that's even. So we will give it to Roman Reigns. So that one will go to Sean. Again, this is our first fully loaded, is the Joaquin Wild trash can relic. Number 9 of 75. The Jey Uso table relic. That one's out of 50. We have the Angelo Dawkins out of 99 matte relic and signature. The King Corbin relic out of 99. The Cesaro signature. This one's out of 50. The Lex Luger signature out of 99. The Kushida signature out of 199. This is the John Morrison variation, number 1 out of 25. You have the Big E signature out of 199. Seth Rollins with the signature and the matte relic. This one was out of 50. Becky Lynch signature. This was out of 25. And the Johnny Gargano signature, which is out of 99. I appreciate you all joining us tonight. Dennis, if you want to hang on, I'm going to check real fast to make sure I had the groups correct. Anybody's interested in football, we have our NFL break coming up tomorrow night. And then we have our next WWE break next Saturday, where we'll be opening a 2021 Chrome and 2021 Topps hobby boxes for both. I believe both are up on eBay now, and I think there is 40 different groups, and each one is at 99 cents. I'm checking for you now, Dennis. I have you down as the Gargano group and the Dakota Kai group, and then randomly you got, there was a third group, I believe. The Miz Morrison group. Everybody have a good night, and we will talk to you again soon.